Hello, welcome to my channel, Life Hacks After 50. Everyday simple things you can do can make a difference in the way you look and the way you feel. Like myself at the age of 59. Today we're going to talk about coffee grind and using olive oil. Coffee grind and olive oil hydrate your skin, smooth out your skin, protect your skin. It's a boost, it's an antioxidant. I'm going to show you how to make it. There you have it. Do that once a week and I guarantee you're going to see a big difference in the way you look and the way you feel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video because somebody out there needs this information and you'll be helping me out. Okay? Until next time.